Mad, I mean say yo, you don't know an all dance.
Yeah, me I say no man, you don't know, say a young flex.
Yeah, you don't know Juvenile, Jay Shavish.
Hey, it's your girl Stulla against newborn.
If you know, say a show time representing
The Upnlive show.
Upnlive show.
Upnlive show.
On the Upnliveshow.
The Upnlive show.
Loud and brawling.
You get news fitting. If you're not on a show, yeah, you're not on no show. And you see if you not like that, muck.
About the Suska, you know, we have a special guest inside studio today.
Yep.
So
Yeah,
Mr. DJ Rick introduce the guest.
It's not even. It's not a special guest. It's a family. Yeah. He has been here quite a few times.
So he's a part of the furniture now.
He's
yeah.
a part of the furniture, and he's been here quite a few times, and he's doing crazy things for 2018, and he's now into 2019, and he have some brand new material for us. Cause me see him going with a bag of things, you know. People, the man himself is here live on the Upnlive show. You can't even say the right name, I swear. I'm relaxing. Demz, what's good, brother?
What go on, Rick? What go on? There.
I see you forward this time. Full merchandise out.
Yeah. What's happening?
What go on? It's a Brandon turn up.
Yeah, me have to support. And my branding's a Team Stulla cap them, you see me?
See
Yeah,
that?
get any of the colour them. Me try to support and make people pick them up and get used to the look and something.
So where can people get the Demz Stulla hat? Them have link you directly or you have an outlet or something?
You know what? You can link the page them on Instagram, Team Stulla, and
See there?
Demz Stulla itself. But I'm gonna try and get a online account so everybody can get ordering. So soon
Okay,
to come.
people, so you hear it. So if you want the merchandise, you just
Yeah.
go online and just check out Demz Stulla page, right?
They didn't just hear it, they hear it first.
Yeah, you hear it first on your Upnlive show.
And one thing with
one more
Vex,
thing.
you should have at least one or two at face.
Yeah, me have some.
Closer to the mic.
Yeah, man,
Closer
yeah.
to the mic. You're too far from the microphone.
You know where the thing go, you have to
Yeah.
give you a sample.
You should have one little one in our box and say, you know, say, my head kind of big enough, so maybe you can fit dragon head.
Yeah.
Because me have a kind of
Nah,
be reasonable.
Yeah. Yeah.
So still, what's good for 2019?
2019, so this year, I said to myself, all right, let me invest in myself more, as before I was just jumping on the rhythm them with
Yeah.
the artist was on and just trying to make a name. So this year I said, let me invest in it where it comes to iTunes and Amazon and Spotify, because I didn't go on that network before.
Okay.
So this year I said, let me just invest in myself more and proper the way, instead of waiting on, you know, the people to gear the links to go for it. So I'm just driving myself right now.
Yeah, but that is the way forward. I think you're investing in yourself. It can never be a wrong thing. I had this conversation with quite a few different artists recently, where people have been putting their music and their stuff on like other people's platform, which is nothing is wrong with that. But while you're doing that, it's also necessary for you to invest in your own self. So in terms of videos and so on, releasing videos on other people's platform is cool.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it. People don't shoot because you know someone are gonna say, well, Upnlive I tell people not to promote, but no.
No, but the whole aim of this is like build yourself, build your own brand.
Yeah.
We're black people.
Yeah.
We need to start build things for ourselves. You understand?
Yeah.
Don't be a worker or employee all your life, be a boss. You get me?
Yeah, and it's not just putting things out there for yourself. Our black people, we need to support the business as well.
That's a hard
You
part.
know what I mean?
Cause
So-
when I lie still, Stulla, them out there still. You don't know the good things them.
Yeah, man.
But
Yeah, the good things them, man.
You know, so when I come up with the idea from family right back around to friends, then what I say, you make a little logo, a hoof logo, and I say, watch it go on close soon, and years, about 2013, I make the logo, you know.
Yeah.
Now I'm 19, you know.
Yeah.
So it take a long while for it.
But you said it. It takes a long time, but it's here now, innit? It's in process now. And everything that comes from it is coming directly to you. Even if it's a pound that you make, you're making a pound.
Yeah.
You see the difference? Other than when you're doing it the other way around, you have to depend upon somebody else to get first and you get a percentage off of it. It's just like the music where everybody's wanting to be signed. And don't realize that the independent you are, it's a risky situation, but it's rewarding also.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Because if it pays off big for you.
Going right back to the mix up with Psychology, as what it say, him kind of did invest in a little something there, or it go look like him have a shares in the rhythm. That's why I'm gonna tell people say you're not allowed to go on that rhythm because it's kind of close. You get me? So it's worth investing in yourself.
Yeah.
Having
yeah.
that talk, be that boss.
Yeah.
You get me? See, musical wise, If you like be a sound man, invest in a one laptop, in a some equipment, some
Yeah.
dub plate, some things.
Definitely.
You get me?
So for 2019, what can we see? What's in the pipeline?
So in the pipeline, remember we're just January, 2019. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
this is what it is now. So I just released one tune the 18th of this month, Boom Flick, off the Billionaire Rhythm.
Yeah.
Raise a Billionaire if you're tuning, big up yourself.
Yep.
So we got a couple artists on that one, but I just released that just to give people a feel to say, yeah man, I'm coming. So I'll give them a tune on iTunes on the platform.
Yeah.
But coinciding to that, since the release of that, I've got more people over, shall I say, overseas, Jamaica side, the producers them. So one and two of them recently got in contact with me and sent me some rhythms.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
That's good.
soon I'm gonna be, and the person's name ain't quiet. So
But
Yeah.
that was leading to my next question. How is it how are you finding it connected with the Jamaican producers?
you know what? They take me as a Jamaican. I'm English born, yeah. Just to clear that up here. I'm English born. I have my red passport here.
Yeah.
I know people they try
Red
to
book.
style me, but
A British lad, innit?
yeah, me a British man still, but me have my red book. But me go home every year since me about knee high. So
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
just that.
yeah.
But yeah, in a Jamaica, them take me like a Jamaican. So all the producer them link me. Me no know. A quick
Yeah.
Panther Sun from 2009, well, 13, 14.
See there.
The Maniac Visual 2016 shoot the Stulla Bunks video. Right now, me have a next link. Him name, would I tell it, but you know what?
Yeah,
No, we know them something to go. We know them something to go. So we just know say we have a lot of things in the pipeline basically. So and that's the relevant info, innit?
Which is right. And the last time you were here on the show, you explained to me the name, the Stulla.
Yeah.
And so you're saying that it was related to some with the refresh my memory again, because it's been a
Yeah,
while.
so Demz was when I first started, I used to go with the garage and the grime flow, the hip hop flow, yeah. And then what it was like, I would say I was versatile. So I would, if I hear a beat like a fast one, slow one, I will go in it. So what happened? I kept going to Jamaica, as you know,
Yeah.
and every time I kept going there, I bring that energy with me. So people used to pull to me. So what it was, they put on Stulla on the end of my name, but they said fling away the Demz. So I said I can't fling away the Demz because I'm walking with the Demz. So they said no sir. So I said all right, and I sat back without saying nothing, in the same place. And I said, how can I write this one? I said no sir, Demz Stulla. I said backside, that sound mad.
Yeah.
So I said Demz Stulla, and then from that's it. I put
See
both
there?
of them together. No, everywhere from 2012 now.
And you never left
To be
it out.
honest,
Yeah.
when I hear that name, I think you make that name out of Movado.
Movado. Yeah.
No, Movado, me not like to,
Movado take a name?
No, him never. But me a Gully fan, so you can't say anything now. Anybody will know me knows them. If the party they run and Gaza play 10 tune, me stand up straight.
Yeah.
If Movado play, me gone with me lighter. Gone. Play
See
Spanish.
there.
So,
See there?
Yeah.
but you shouldn't be that way as an entertainer because you know what I mean?
No, me
Music
no.
is joy, it's your artist, it's your preference, but you don't know.
You know, say me
Movado
have
is a bad artist, but Cartel's talent is also.
yeah,
so,
but me not
justice.
have up vibes Cartel for say who better, I just
But you just
my vibes this up.
Yeah.
See there, see there.
Yeah,
It's
it's just
understandable.
like
A Cartel body if you come road, me not gonna say don't come.
True. But how was last year for you? How did you get on with last year? What happened for you?
So last
Sum
year,
up last year for me.
last year I was doing 1 and 2 interviews, and I was like coming off of the rhythms, trying to look for producers them to record and find my platform to sit in.
Yeah.
To release the next tunes, and then along the way obviously you get little kicks and
Yeah.
this and that. So then along that time I was just sitting back taking some time up, but along the way I was getting called for small interviews and here and that.
Yeah.
But I'll be honest, when it comes to the studio, I kept having complications with the producers because every time I wrote a song or a tune, it just couldn't come to me. I wouldn't go into detail,
Yeah.
but the industry is set that way when you're an artist and you're trying to come and you look like you're coming with something where might sound different from another artist. They don't really want to bring you or even
I get that.
endorse you in no form of way.
Yeah.
So I had to remove myself, but I had to do it in a way where still be relevant, trying to drop songs, but I didn't want to drop anything because I got a sound. Yeah, that's what it was.
Definitely. And you seen yourself working with people in the near future. Who would be your ideal collaboration?
Ideal, right now, from overall UK. Yeah?
Overall,
Yeah,
right?
overall.
Okay. Overall, to be honest with you, right now, not to jump on no one, but Raging King's a good artist. I didn't really too like TJ's going on. I'll still say Movado. I'll say Busy Signal.
But your number one artist, if you have
Number
one
one.
artist to choose to do a collab with, who would it be?
To do a collab with. Right now.
It's a no-brainer. Don't think about it.
No brainer.
Yeah, it is a
that's
no-brainer.
Because there's enough bad artists now, you know.
Yeah,
so
but you must have that one artist where I say, yo, John, I wouldn't mind just do a collab.
If I get one collab, I would do it with that artist.
Yeah,
you know what? Saying off the top of my head, I'll just say Popcorn, just to say it.
see there.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Fair enough.
Big up the Gully side fans, but you don't know unruly the man say. There you
Yeah.
go.
Alright, before we go, we normally do a little freestyle at this time of the interview, but I have one question to ask you. The reason why I'm going to ask you this is because you're here in the UK and it doesn't directly involve you, but it will affect you. Before you came on, just now we were discussing a situation where there's, you know, the Stylogy song, Touchdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
The rhythm and everything.
you know the rhythm and everything.
We could have something to say about that too, but we're not going and nothing.
Yeah,
See
no,
that?
no, listen.
No,
That's why I'm trying to
yeah,
fix the question
Yeah.
away. Alright. Have you been on social media recently? There's a little alteration between Steph London and Stylogy over the
Yeah.
touchdown where songs
Yeah.
getting taken down.
I peeped it, yeah.
Yeah. What's your take on this?
To be honest, yeah. Alright. I'm going to be fair because I'm on air. Alright, listen. It's a Stylogy song, Touchdown, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a good song. It's doing its bits. But on a music type of looking into it, Steph London shouldn't put up an argument with a song that he's made and then trying to run with it and cause qualms for it.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
believe that's not music. Make
Yeah.
your own tune, then cause a problem. So I feel she's causing a problem on something where
She
you
shouldn't
don't need
even
to
get-
draw you out for that if you're
Yeah,
drawing
yeah,
him out
yeah,
for
yeah,
that.
yeah.
You're drawing him out for something where it's not really necessary then. Yeah, but with how Stylogy is, we're all from the same community,
Yeah.
kind of. Yeah, we all know Stylogy, you know,
Yeah.
so I can't say nothing much, but you walk with the energy and people know it, they're going to try to blow you off.
Yeah.
So Steph London's working on the energy you've given it. So she's going to pull you
She gonna
and
pull,
pull your
yeah.
string.
All right. To be honest, as a Jamaican, when you see something, you have to call it as how you see it. And we are Jamaican, and something like that how you see it, we just call it straight up bad mind.
Yeah.
Bad mind.
Yeah,
Yeah.
certain things never
Yeah.
really call for. So
Mhm.
we're going to put a full stop to it, because time,
You know what?
time is against us. So
Time
let's
is
just,
against us, so
let's
you
just
know.
do the freestyle.
You know, eh.
And all a join in the
But
studio.
like when
Do
I
it.
say freestyle, what for this?
You ready now? It's a
Eh.
freestyle.
You know,
We
this-
telling her already we not pay on no money.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah,
Make it
freestyle.
fun.
You ready? Stulla, you ready?
I'm not really ready, but me to try.
Alright.
I can see where I go on.
Alright now. Yeah, old school rhythm now. May bring on back to the whole thing. Alright now. Listen. Yo. Drink up, cup to the brim. Everybody want to know what me a drink on. Hennessy mixed with a thing. Me done say already, one ice to me thing. Ice to me thing. Them kind of drinks that give me quick mix on. Liquor upon liquor, yo, that me the mix. When the ice get crushed, balance the mix on. Shelly party and done. Cause we love to have fun, yeah, owner like this. Go to the bar, mix up the magnum with the apple and rum. Mix up the cherry with the boom and done. Chase the vodka with the tropical punch. Buy out the bar with your money and done, yeah. Me move to some gal and some gal give me pill. Next time me see them friend a give me kill, yo. Some of them a tell me Stulla you not real, but me still come back and get them kill, yeah. Remember I used to take the little boy chat, they never know say Stulla woulda grow into a man. I know the ex them a turn into a fan, I'm a pre-me Insta. Yo, one holla, me say baby you're sweet. Two holla, let me introduce me. Three calls, let me. Yo, come in, let me catch you back. Alright, you see it there? Come in like, you're ready for me. Alright now. DJ Rick, big up yourself, said we. Yeah, man. Upnliveshow.
Which is right.
2019.
People, Demz Stulla. You ready
Demz
again?
Stulla in the building. Yo.
Alright, go on.
Me I go link up a big fat pussy. All night and tonight me feel like me don't want fight and if the pussy too tight, if me take off me boots then it too right. Where we say when me slide in me don't drive.
Yeah.
Shifting.
No, you have to be the old bleep still. You have to be the old bleep still. Ready now, come.
Yeah. When me sink it in there. She grabbed me tight and looking at my eyes and say that my body too white. Scream, yeah. When me sink it in there. She grabbed me tight and looking at my eyes, say that my body too white and. Alright now.
People, Demz Stulla live here on the Upnliveshow, the freestyle segment. I know me seeing kind of puzzling brain like is it do I need to do you wanna go or you wanna stop? Tell me what's going on? What's good?
Me I run with it cause you give me, you know, a music, so me have to run with it, you know.
Okay, people, Demz Stulla once more live again for the top TGM radio. This is Upnliveshow each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. You ready up, Stulla?
Yeah, man. Alright now. Me have to make people get used to me, so listen now. Yo. Them can't block me. Me hear bad mind a chat and them pagans a watch me. Them can't stop me. Me say try all they want, you can't sell out with vanity. Them can't stop me. Me hear bad mind a chat and them pagans a watch me. Them can't stop me. Me say try all they want, can't sell out with vanity. Grudge me once me not let you out then cause me.
They don't know Demz Stulla inside studio tonight.
Which is right. Demz Stulla, people, remember, if you like it, your thumbs up for it. If you don't like it, your thumbs down, alright? So we got everybody on Facebook right now watching us live right here. And people, remember, you can follow Demz Stulla at
follow Demz Stulla on Instagram, Demz_Stulla, on the Team Stulla page, Team_Stulla, YouTube, Team Stulla. You know, say everything Team Stulla or Demz Stulla, must can find me. Snapchat, every social media.
Which is right. And the new song you have out now is
Boom Flick Go Go.
Okay, people, make sure you go onto all the platforms and get that right now. It's going with a bag of things. Pan the replay every day right here in the Upnliveshow. Tuesdays 9 p.m. Demz Stulla was here. Thank you very much for passing through. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Dragon Star, the Crown Master, World Mag Entertainment. That was Demz Stulla. Fire Q, what's good, brother?
I know just they go and pre people us up on Facebook, I know live, so we just go and comment and be things and you know what I mean? Somebody I talk to some people, so my apologies if you see me on my phone, because I just talk to some people on Facebook where I message me and a comment and you know what I mean? So big people who are locked in right now. This is the Upnliveshow this and every Tuesday. So you can tell your friend to tell their friend to log in, you know what I mean?
Oh my god, get with the time, it's 2019. Are you dumb?
Eh?
Come on. You see the hairstyle up in, you know what the thing going on. Yankee, you know what the thing go.
Mango hairstyle in the bit.
You people, Dragon go on with that thing, you know. I'll be that vibe in the studio. So if you're watching at home right now, turn up your CD or your TV or your DVD, everything, just turn it up loud right now.
Now, Ricky, you want to freestyle something?
Let me see what I go on. I can't do something. Let me freestyle. Alright, ready now. Upnliveshow every Tuesday. 9 o'clock, it's every Tuesday. Fire Q, in there, every Tuesday. Dragon Star there, every Tuesday. Rasta, who there, every Tuesday. World Mag TV. Every Tuesday, what we there? EGM radio. Every Tuesday, Body Fix, we have fun. Every Tuesday, Upnlive, so we brother when we will times it. Every time we there, we say, cheers, second.
So what I look like whoever gonna make a freestyle a week time to Rick. How go on?
What I do it? I want this to go on as a Dragon, you ready? Turn up again.
I took on a cup of coffee. Squeeze up her breast, sup up your help. My girl got the shape, till she got the body. Most wanted, love me so rotten. Me no in a bankrupt. Me no day in jail, that's for the handcuff. Money in our pocket, you know me tank up. 6 out here, you know we run prof. I took on a cup of coffee. Squeeze up her breast, sup up your help. My girl got the shape, till she got the body. Most wanted, love me so rotten. The 6 them days, so I tell Larry.
Hey, wild side out here now.
House party, invite everybody. Champagne pop, y'all swallow money. Blue cheese, but we get from Cali. So a diesel enough for everybody. We're Balenciaga, no one a Bali. Rican girl, what a dolly. You know, so we trending youth. Gucci Prada, when we Phoenix suit. Me no in a bankrupt. Me no day at jail.
You got me 6 with them. What's here now?
You know we pocket, you know me
What are you with them?
6 out here, you know.
I'm gonna play that song again, you know. Go on. Hotter than a cup of coffee. Squeeze up your
breast, sup up your hip. My girl got the shape, yeah, she got the body. Most wanted, like Miss Rotte. The 6 them day, I saw a John Larry. Knock it in the face, not tell her sorry. House party, invite everybody. Champagne pop, y'all swallow money. The blue cheese, what we get from Cali. So a diesel enough for everybody. We're Balenciaga, no one a Bali. My Puerto Rican girl, what a dolly. You know, so we trending youth. Gucci Prada, when we Phoenix suit. Every girl, I say you're the 6 them cute. When we reach out here, when we nasty.